Hello everyone, welcome back to my homestead. Friday night. Most people are out having a good time. Me? No. I wired up my $20 lights. So I'm going to take you out to the tractor. I got it sitting in the dark. I'm going to show you what it's like with the regular headlights. Then I'm going to show you with the work lights. Okay, we're going out to the tractor. It's been a while since I warmed it up. It's sitting right there. As you see, it is pitch black out here. So, if you can hear me, I'm going to turn on the headlights. Not very bright, is it? So the problem I have is when I had the bucket up and I'm hauling stuff, well, that's all I see. Okay. So I'm going to turn them off. I'm going to turn on my work lights, which I just got done wiring them up. So, what do you think of that? That shines all the way out to the fence line. You can see these things were $13 for the pair. I got them on eBay. They don't use much because they're LED. So now we can see my little tractor is going to light up the whole place. And of course, these other lights I've already had. They were on my riding lawnmower. I wanted them to shine here on the mower deck so I can see what's going on, or if I'm grading or whatever I'm doing. So now, I turn on the headlights. You can see. Now, if I run the bucket up, now of course I know I'm in front of this thing. I still can be able to see what I'm doing. So, let's turn on my hazard lights so you can see if everything lit up. My kick-ass light guards. Yeah, I wish I could add a few more lights. I'm just not too sure where I put it. Now, I used electrical tape to tape the wires to the rocks. Nothing that I put on this tractor, I didn't drill one hole. I utilized what holes I had. Now, that's pretty cool. So you guys tell me in the comments what you think and what I've gotten with my tractor. I mean, yeah, it'd be nice to put something expensive on it. I just don't see a need for it. I don't even need my headlights at all. I could just work off that. So, let me turn this off. I'm going to let this thing run a while. It's been a couple weeks. But that's it for this video. I want to show you, I got my lights mounted. Soldering iron, massive failure. Gonna have to buy another one. I'll go to Harbor Freight next payday and see what I can dig up. Then we'll have an open box review on that. But anyways, that's it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about all this. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. You have a great day.